Hi, I'm Debbie Minnerly with the Poughkeepsie Public Library District. Are you looking for work and need some help with your job search? Google has set up some great free resources for you to use in your job search. This video shows you how to use some of those free resources to find a job. This is Google's Primer app. Business people can use Primer for lessons on managing their businesses. There are also several great lessons for job seekers. Here's a lesson on remote work with tips on how to work from home. I'm looking at lessons that I've worked on. Here's a lesson on identifying problems at work. I can pin this at the bottom right so I can easily find it later. When I tap on Saved, I can look at my completed, in progress, and pinned lessons. Check out the Primer app on iPhone or Android and see how the lessons can help you advance your job search. At Google.com, I'm searching for housekeeping jobs near me. This search uses your internet service provider as the base for searching. In the search results, I'll scroll until I find the Jobs section by Google, and I'll click the banner for jobs to open up the jobs page. You can scroll through all of the jobs found, or you can narrow your search. You can narrow by job title, location, date posted, type, such as full-time or part-time, company type, or by employer. You can also turn on email alerts for this search. When you do that, you'll create an account or sign in. Another free resource is called Google Applied Digital Skills, which is video-based instruction. Search for Google Applied Digital Skills. Then click the link for applieddigitalskills.withgoogle.com, titled Google's Digital Skills Course or Google Applied Digital Skills. Near the top of the screen, click Lessons. On the left side under Filter by Audience, click Adult Learners. Scroll to find a lesson you'd like to take. We'll look at Use Google to Get a New Job. When you click the blue Start button, you'll start at the beginning. If you'd like to choose what lessons to do, go back and scroll down to find all of the lessons. Click the lesson you'd like to go to. We'll click on Search for Jobs. Then we'll look at Introduction to Search for Jobs. You can go back to any of the previous lessons, such as the video on creating a job search plan that is referenced in this video. The play button is on the left. This video shows you how long it is on the left side. Other videos may show that information on the right side. I'll start this one to show you some controls. There's a volume control here. If I click on the speaker, the video is muted. I can slide the slider right or left to adjust the sound. If I slide it all the way to the left, it is muted. Next to that, I see a button, but I'm not sure what it is. When I click it, I can see there's an option for captions. Those are currently off, but I can turn them on by clicking Captions. Now, even though I can't hear the sound, I can see what is being said. Each video has its own closed captions and volume adjustments, so when you start another video, you can set it the way you want. There's also a button that puts the video in full screen. I can click that same spot to return to the previous view. Below the video is a transcript showing the words that are being said. If you only see the word transcript, click it to see the full transcript of that video. Below that is the button that takes us to the next video. Or you can hover your mouse over any of the buttons near next and go directly to the lesson. I'll click another lesson. Set up an email alert for new listings. To return to the beginning of this topic, click Use Google to get a new job at the top of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope these free Google resources help you find a job. If you need any assistance with your job search, let us know and we'll help you out.